Yo. Back with another one. You know, we at the Fresh Start building. Gonna start this off a little different. First of all, hope everybody's having a blessed and positive Friday, Good Friday. And before I give y'all the updates, me and my sister, we just had a conversation. And it's crazy because once again, it shows you when you're on your divine path. You run into exactly who you're supposed to run into. You're exactly where you're supposed to be at the correct time of day. And we have these moments in our lives where we're always wondering if there's a God or if we're supposed to be what we're supposed to be. Am I doing the right thing? And at the end of the day, we all have a divine path, and that path is supposed to be a straight line of us just living a righteous, positive life. But typically human nature, that path is more like a sinusoidal wave. And as we mature and grow, you get closer and closer to that divine path where that's how you want to live, right? You start off learning, and then it gets smaller, and then eventually it ripples out. And the more and more you cross this line with that divine path, you always have these moments where it gives you chills of just knowing that there is a God and we're exactly where we're supposed to be, doing exactly what we're supposed to do, living in our purpose. And the more and more you have those experiences, it's supposed to encourage you to live and be better than you were yesterday. So today's message is just about finding your purpose and living on your divine path. Because as we continue to live on our divine path, the world will be a safer, better place. And, you know, the beauty of it is when you're on your divine path and you find something that you're passionate about, the money's going to come. Let's stop chasing the money. Let's stop trying to find these get-rich-quick schemes. Let's just live in your truth, live in your purpose, and just do exactly what you're supposed to do. And the money will come. But enough of that. Sorry, I had to switch it up today because when me and my sister come here just to witness, and it was crazy because I don't even think it was my path that crossed. I think it was her path, but it was more so just me witnessing confirmation of everybody getting aligned with who they're supposed to be. But it gives you chills, it gives you goosebumps every time you get that message of I'm real, and just continue to do what you're supposed to do. And you'll get them moments all the time. Honestly, it's really a moment of blissfulness where like euphoric. It's a body high type feel where you just like, man, it felt good to be giving or servicing or doing something for somebody or being where you're supposed to be. Like, so if we could just stay like that, man, a state of blissfulness, I ain't got no complaints. But anywho, let's get into today's renovations. We had my boy Donnie Hammond. I'm gonna tag him in the Facebook video. He came today, showed us some of his completed work, and yeah, let's get over to that. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I love this. I love recording me with the keys and unlocking stuff. I don't ask me why I do it. I struggle with it. I blooper it. I drop the keys all day, but we ain't perfect. You can televise the mistakes too. It ain't gotta be just, you know, the good. But shout out to my boy Donnie. Give me these custom stations. I like them. I like them. Flows with the building, but you know, just more progress. I like the aligning and positioning for the outlets. So barbers, you know, you got plenty of outlets. You ain't got to worry about too many surge protectors. But yeah. And then what else we got? Wanted to show y'all something here too. This is my temporary command station. Got my temporary command station going on. I got this is where the heat at. I'm finna actually make a move to Lowe's so I can fix my thermostat in my oven. But I got my work. I am doing work. But this is my temporary command station where I can still do my work and be at the business and, you know, do little things here and there. But that's all I got for y'all. Yeah, TV, on TV. Oh man, unboxing. Y'all just in time. I just thought about this. This is one. I don't know why these packages come in individually, but this is one of the dryers. You know, this chair is still coming in, and I ordered 2 of these. So I got 2 chairs coming in, but for some reason, this is the partial payment, or the partial shipping that they decided to do. So they sent me something that I can't even connect, but yeah. BuyRight.com sent me $1. I hope, they better hope I get a good review. But we'll see once it's up and running and we get the chairs in. But other than that, I'll see y'all good people later, man. So yeah, back at it again. It's a late start for me. I had to get my real work done. But these are our dryers and dryer chairs. I got my first shampoo bowl just to kind of gauge. My first shampoo chair to try to gauge how high these bowls is before I order them all, or if I need to order a different chair. So this is a test. So it's just me, these newly brought in desks or salon stations, and a little enemy. Can't go wrong with the enemy. Now, hit y'all back once we get this rock loaded. Step 1, shampoo tray. Quick update. Working on getting these other outlets in. Clean it up, got the lights pretty much hung up top. Let's see how this all work out. Seems like they just in the front right now, but so far I'm loving it. I don't think they did nothing here, but just in case, yeah. So we almost up and going with the electricity. You know? Let's go ahead and lock this up. Show y'all where we at on this side. Lock it up. Show you from the other side. What's on that other side? Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all ever saw these. This side lit up. We got all the lights. Rain, sleet, and snow. We got all the lights. The building must go up. It's looking like a whole nother building already. You would never know. That's what happens when you trust the process. Yeah, y'all saw the boxes, but it's really starting to look like a little salon now. I'm actually thinking I can throw a 3rd station in there. We're just gonna have to see how it goes. You know, COVID, people still like social distancing. For those people who still, you know, watching out for themselves. The chair came out decent. Go ahead and order 2 more of these. But very easy to set up. Chair came with a couple of different parts, but overall, it's interesting. What's this one? Up so high, sitting on the wood. There we go. Bingo. Thought I was tripping. There we go. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna get one more. You know, I consult with everybody else with my staff and see what they think. But I think a third one might play out well. We just see. And I was planning on having 2 of these and 2 mobile dryers, but maybe I'll get 3 of these and 1 mobile. But you know, still up here watching my anime. Y'all know how I'm coming. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. But yeah, I'm finna get up out of here. I wish I could touch on some of what my boy Reggie was talking about, but we're gonna save that for another day. But I'm just gonna get up out of here. I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and this will be a 2-part video. Can't remember which days, y'all, but for sure it'll be 2 days. So y'all be safe out here on this rainy, gloomy Monday. Tuesday gonna be